Hey guys, it's Gemma McAllister at growmybusinessbigger.info, and I wanted to quickly share with you about how to get your physical web app and your physical web Bleesk app onto your iOS device, and how to get it onto your widgets area so you don't have to go searching all your apps in your phone. So what I'm going to do is share my screen and show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is those two apps there, the orange and the blue one, called Physical Web Bleesk and Physical Web. I'm going to go to the App Store and show you. This is what they look like, okay? So Physical Web, just download that, and Physical Web Bleesk. Let me show you really quick and read to you what it does. So you receive, collect, and share physical web campaigns. Physical Web Bleesk, or by Bleesk, allows you to receive notifications on physical web objects. You'll never miss opportunities to receive a special offer while walking near a favorite store or restaurant. It supports numerous physical web objects, Eddystone beacons, URLs, QR codes, geofences, and GPS. Now, the powerful features: pin offers that you like the most. You can share favorite offers with your friends and family. You can thank them on social media integration. So scan QR codes to collect more offers. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this app. So it's pretty incredible with this thing. So this one literally lets you have pop downs, which is what I like. So I'm going to show you how to get these two apps onto your widgets, okay? So when you go to that favorites area, and a lot of people that have iPhones may not know about this, but if you go to swipe right on a lot of the iPhones, it's this area right here, okay? Now, if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see this little edit button, okay? I'm going to do this just to show you. Now, all these ones in red are in your favorites already. Now, the green ones, you can see it has a little plus sign. It says more widgets. You can add those. So I'm going to add physical web. And for some reason, the physical web by Bleesk is not there. So I'm just going to add physical web. And what I'm going to do is press the three lines on the right side and move it up to the very top, okay? And then I'm going to hit done. So after that, I'm going to move my fingers, and then when I am in proximity of anything that I want to see, a deal or a coupon, like a digital coupon, I just have to swipe it to the right and everything will pull up that's within range. So let's check out this one. This one is basically telling me that there's a landscaper blog. So landscapers, they can take these into neighborhoods and they can be advertising to people in the neighborhoods and sharing it with them, to people saying, you know, I'm in your neighborhood. If you click this, you can save today or whatever. Now, this one's really cool because it's got this article that I wanted to share with you. Proximity marketing is what this is called. Now, 2% of businesses actually, that's the only percentage of businesses that know about this type of marketing. And this was back in July of 2017, okay? There was only 6 retailers that are driving millions of dollars in sales. And the advertising market project will touch $7.6 billion by 2020 at a compound annual rate of 30.22%. So I'm not sure about that, but that's a pretty big number. So retailers, 24% of retailers actually saw an increase in sales, and 24% of them saw an increase in offer redemption. So 59% of them felt that customers were way more engaged in their store. And 65% of them felt that they were able to target customers down to the aisle level. So that's pretty cool. And this is the same technology that Target and Macy's and Nordstrom, they're all using it. So we found a way to make it affordable. So this is another ad that's pretty cool that's around me. This one is the Go Plus ad, and I believe you can do a YouTube video in here. So this, where this picture is, you could do a YouTube video basically showing someone your own Groupon. And you could put an expiration date. If you own a brick and mortar business, you could guide them to your business. You can save it to your Apple or an Android wallet. Look, you can click to call. So if you have a phone number, you can have them call you. You can share it on social media, so you can tell all of the people to share it with their friends on Facebook, and they could market your business. They could market your business for you, and you can also link it to any website URL. So I think that's amazing. Now look at these; they're super small, so they're like 2 inches, like about the size of a double stuffed Oreo cookie. So I'm gonna actually come back to you guys and show you this, because I've got one right here, and I love this because I could promote a garage sale with this and turn it off and on whenever I want to. I just think it's really great because anyone could be promoting anything with it, and you don't even have to be nearby. I've got a couple of these all around the city, and it's advertising any message that I want it to say. So, I mean, this is the way that advertising is going to be. It's going to change the way the world is. It already has. So no one is looking at their newspapers anymore. No one's looking even at TVs anymore. So everyone's staring down at their phones. Now, today I met with someone and put it into perspective for them. So you could get 8 of these with that add-on service, that Go Plus, that has the pictures and the YouTube videos. And it's just over, I want to say $1 a day, a little over $1 a day. And for a whole entire month, you could have all of these running. So you could have basically 8 different employees working for you 24 hours a day for less than one person standing on one street corner flipping one of those signs, and that's a full-time employee for a whole week. You'd be paying, I want to say, way more. So, and they can only work for 8 hours. So, and you'd be reaching less people, because when someone is going to that street, they're looking down at their phone. So why not advertise to where someone's already looking? It just makes sense. So anyway, I just wanted to put that into perspective for you. And we've found a way to make it affordable, which is even better. So we're saving the planet. We're making it affordable for you guys. Anyone can do it. Anyone can advertise anything. We've got, small stay-at-home moms and dads doing this, all the way to Fortune 500 companies. So it doesn't matter what you've got. So it's just a great tool to add to your arsenal of things to get your message and exposures about your business. So, it's not a salesperson, and I don't expect it to make the sales for me, but it's going to get the word out about my business. So nothing else does that, and it's just a great way to get exposure. So anyway, guys, my name is Gemma McAllister, and you can reach me on Facebook, on YouTube, and Instagram, GemJco, GEMJCO on Instagram. And I believe that's my YouTube channel as well. But if you're interested in getting some of these, my website is growmybusinessbigger.info. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much. Bye.